back with another video, and today I'll be doing a hair review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you'll never miss a single video. The company name is called Yiroo off of Amazon, and I will be making a wig out of this. It comes with lashes. They sent me 12-inch bundle, a 10-inch bundle, a 14-inch bundle, a 10-inch closure, a bonnet, which I'm gonna put on because it is my favorite color. I'm gonna open up the 14-inch bundle. I'm not opening all these bundles today because I don't want this video to be too long because I still gotta make the wig. Comes with the net on it. This is 100% virgin hair. This is my second time, I believe. My second time getting virgin hair. This is how the curls look. It's not stiff. It's very soft. Very soft. And I do smell it from right here. It smells so good. It comes with the net on it. It's medium brown waist. What did they put on this? It smells good. It smells like shampoo and perfume. To me, I think this ain't no 3-part closure. I know that. It looks like it's a 3-part. 3-part closure. It don't come with baby hairs. Of course, it's gonna shed more because this is a closure. Closures if front to shed more the actual bundles, but I'm still getting medium shedding. I'm gonna show y'all if y'all can see this. Y'all cannot see this. I'm going to show y'all how to make a beginner friendly wig. The products I will be using is a wig cap, a dome wig cap, hot glue gun, T-pins, and I will be sewing the closure so you will be needing needle and thread. Put the closure in the middle. Put the closure away from the wig cap.
None of you guys get high as me. Whoa. Post my drip up daily.